Hello kids and hello parents. My name is Kumar Patel and I welcome you all to Artech Camps. I hope you all are safe and healthy in this global pandemic. I hold the position of computer programmer and program planner at Artech Camps, and I have expertise in Unity 3D Engine and Blender 3D. Now, a lot of you kids who have not joined us right now might be thinking, okay, what can we do with Unity 3D Engine and Blender 3D? Well, you can do this, or this, or this, or this. Well, actually, quite a lot of things. You can build your own game. You can create your own characters for your game, your enemies, your heroes in the game, your battleships, your aircrafts, your weapons. A lot of stuff can be done with Unity 3D and Blender 3D. These two tools are currently one of the most used tools in the gaming industry, and I'm gonna help you to build your first own game in Unity 3D Engine and your first own built game character with Blender 3D in this 2-week summer camp. Because I can't wait to help you, and let's get this trip going then. I wish to see all of you at Artech Camps. See you soon, guys. Until that, have a nice day.